Video I will guide you how you can add photo in Word document side by side. So first place the cursor where you put the picture. So head to the insert and go to the pictures and click on this device and select the picture. For example, I have this picture and now right click and go to the wrap text and click square. Now you can move picture anywhere on the Word document. And now again go to the insert and click on the picture and click on this device and select the another picture which you want to insert. Make it resize by dragging it and now right click wrap text and click square, and now you can make it resize or move anywhere on the Word document. Here you can see that. Another way is that click on the insert and click on the table and pick 1 by 2 table, and now head to the insert and click on the picture. Click on this device and insert the picture like this. Make it resize. And now again go to the insert, click on the picture, this device, and select the second picture. Make it resize. So once you are happy with the picture placement, then click on this four-sided arrow and head to the home, and under the paragraph you will see that the borders group. You need to click on that and click no border, and here you can see that the border has been removed. And now click on that and click this layout option and click in square, and similar happen to this. And now select the first picture and select the second picture and right click and go to the group and now group. So now you can move easily this picture on the Word document at any place, and now you can even reduce the both picture and can change the size as per your requirement, and even you can rotate it from here. So this way you can easily add photo in Word document side by side. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.